Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given: if x plus xy plus y equal to 11, x square plus y plus xy square equal to 30, find x and y. Let x plus y is equal to a and xy is equal to b. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and share to your friends. So here like this logical and critical and Olympiad problems will be uploaded. So here the equation will become a plus b is equal to 11 and ab is equal to 30. So here a is equal to b minus 11 minus b. 11 minus b. Substitute in the second one. 11 minus b into b is equal to 30. So here what will get? B square minus 11b plus 30 equal to 0. So here b square minus 6b minus 5b plus 30 equal to 0. b into b minus 6 minus 5 into b minus 6 equal to 0. b minus 6 equal to 0 or b minus 5 equal to 0. b is equal to 6 or 5. So here we'll get two cases. If b is equal to 6, a value will be 5. If b is 5, a value is 6. Now if you take case 1 now, so a value 5, b value 6. So a value 5 means here x plus y is equal to 5. xy is equal to 6. So here you can write x is equal to 5 minus y. Here you can replace 5 minus y into y is equal to 6. This implies y square minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. So here y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. y into y minus 3 minus 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. y is equal to 3 or 2. That implies x is equal to 2 or 3. So if we take case 2, so a is equal to 6, b is equal to 5. So x plus y is equal to 6, xy is equal to 5. So here you can write x is equal to 6 minus y. 6 minus y into y is equal to 5. y square minus 6y plus 5 equal to 0. y square minus 5y minus y plus 5 equal to 0. y minus 5 into y minus 1 equal to 0. y is equal to 5 or 1. x is equal to 1 or 5. Therefore, the possible values of x comma y. So here 3 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 5 comma 1, 1 comma 5. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends. Thank you.